Today we see the fixed wireless network. Due to rapid growth in the internet, demand of broadband internet and computer access has increased. So fixed wireless network have a following two section, mainly wireless local loop and second type, that is LMDS. So local multi-point distribution service. These are the two main subsection under the fixed wireless system. So in the growth of wireless system, the fixed wireless network is very important. So in this lecture we see what is meant by wireless local loop, that is WLL, definition, access technology and future. Then in the second content, that is types of wireless local loop, there are two types of wireless local loop. First one is a local multi-point distribution service. Again, in that type we see definition, advantages and disadvantages of local multi-point distribution service. And the second type of WLL, that is multi-channel multi-point distributed service, MMDS. These are the two types of the WLL we see in this lecture. And last one topic, that is comparison between LMDS and MMDS and future scope and some manufacturers of WLL. So these are the content or learning outcome at the ending of this lecture. So start with wireless local loop. So first question, what is wireless local loop? Instead of copper wire, here we use a wireless connection, that is microwave. Microwave wireless link can be connected between the access system or use subscriber. So in the telephone network, a wireless local loop is a generic term for an access system that use a wireless link to connect a subscriber to the local telephone station in place of conventional copper wire. Without connecting the wire, we have connect a microwave from a first connection between the user and your local access system. In the fixed wireless access system, wireless local loop is very popular. So WLL is also called as a fixed wireless loop. The main function of WLL is to make primary access to the local telephone station using the wireless link. So this is all about the wireless local loop. Means what? It is connected using a microwave or any wireless waveform. So next, wireless local loop, there are two concepts, namely narrowband WLL and broadband WLL. These are the two different concepts about the wireless local loop. Narrowband WLL offers a replacement of existing telephone services. Means wired telephone system are replaced in narrowband WLL, and broadband WLL provides high speed two-way voice data services. So broadband WLL is very fast for large business or large internet communication. So WLL is the best system to handle the high data traffic in the local loop system. So this is all about the some point about the WLL. Then how to work the WLL? WLL, we already stated that the WLL stand for wireless local loop that connect subscriber to PSTN using a radio signal as a substitute for copper for all or a part of the connection between the subscriber and switch. It is a primary access between the your wireless system to the subscriber. So WLL phones in the homes, office or even boat connect with the wireless system in the manner similar to that of CDMA cell phones. So that primary access purpose your wireless WLL system are used. So next slide, here your architecture, what is the WLL configuration are there. So WLL have a large number of the base station antennas, and the base station and the switching center are connected through the wire link, but your base station to your network system, that is residence or your office, your government agencies, where you have to provide the internet connections or your services of about the wireless connection, that is totally wireless link are provided. These signal are sent through the microwaves. So this is the configuration, or this is the architecture diagram of the WLL. This is very important. Then access technology. WLL use FDMA technology, that is frequency division multiple access. Also use code division multiple access, time division multiple access. The one being used in India is a CDMA. In India, code division multiple access generally used. In other country, TDMA or FDMA is also used. So this is the access technology used in the WLL. Some better feature about the WLL: better quality of service, compatible with the other cellular technologies, scalability. These are the feature about the WLL. Better quality of service, because wired connection is various complexity in that network, but wireless network have reduced this quality of service, because there are more number of switches are needed in the wired network, but wireless loop network have better quality of service. They are compatible with the other cellular technology, because there are three type of access technology are used. So there are compatibility are increasing, scalability, more devices we can connect using the wireless network, that is scalability also increases. The next point about the WLL, that is wireless local loop. That is main advantage: cost of wireless equipment is less as compared to wire, because wire technology have required more hardware, but wireless it reduce the hardware, so easy installation and good scale of installation. So these are the three advantages of the WLL. Then next topics, that is types of WLL. So there are two type of WLL techniques are available. We already see in the content. That is first type is a local multi-point distribution service, that is LMDS is the first type of WLL. Then second topics, that is multi-channel multi-point distribution service, MMDS. This is the second topics of the WLL. So one by one we see here first type of WLL, that is local multi-point distribution service. Locals means limited ranges. Multi-point means you have to provide the broadcasting to the subscriber. Distribution system means over the building or large building we can spread or distribute your signal. Service means quality, about the word service is used. So local multi-point distribution service is a broadband wireless point to multi-point communication system operating above 20 GHz that can be used to provide two-way voice, data, video service and internet. That is LMDS. So fixed broadband technology that can provide wide variety of wireless services. It provides a high-speed internet access. Real-time multimedia file transfer can be possible. Remote access to the local area network. Interactive video, video on demand, video conferencing, telephone service. These are the services provided under the LMDS. So this is very important. What are the services provided by LMDS? LMDS transmission. So point to multi-point transmission. A single base station can transfer through antenna. Antenna can be covered whole your building, your education system, or all other services at that place. So what are the advantages and disadvantages about the LMDS? So advantages: easily developed, cost effective, high data rate, scalable architecture. Disadvantages of the LMDS is that it needs a large number of base stations because of its short range of operation from base station. So these are the disadvantages about the LMDS. Then second type, that is multi-channel multi-point distribution service, that is MMDS. MMDS is a broadcasting and communication service that operates in the ultra high frequency portion of the radio spectrum between the 2.1 and 2.7 gigahertz. So LMDS operated on a 20 gigahertz, but multi-point distribution service operated on a 2.1 and 2.7 gigahertz. So MMDS is also known as wireless cable. So MMDS is a medium power transmitter, is located with an omnidirectional broadcast antenna at or near the highest topological point in the intended coverage area. The workable radius can be reached up to 70 miles in flat terrain. Fixed broadband wireless technology similar to LMDS can transmit video, voice, data signal at 1.5 to 2 megabit per second downstream and 320 kbps upstream. So these are the speed about the MMDS. So carefully remember this thing. This is a MMDS structure. Here your LAN or building, under the building, if you connect antenna, this is a base station. There are various base station. Is transmit the signal, and every receiver signal distribute the network in each case using the modem or in any other devices. This is hub equipment, carrier network, and internet. So internet signal transmit to base station transmitted to the local base station. So this is the MMDS structure. So advantages and disadvantages: high signal strength, cell size is small, less cost than LMDS, large wavelength. So these are the advantages about the MMDS. High signal strength, cell size is small, less cost than LMDS, large wavelength. And physical limitation. Physical limitation means we cannot increase the base station or power, transmitted power, as a FCC did not allow the power transmitted of the base station servicing area, that is more than 15 kilometers. The last topic, that is comparison between LMDS and MMDS. Both are used for TV and two-way internet service using fixed wireless access, because it is a type of fixed wireless access network. Due to low power radio frequency range, MMDS provide lesser bandwidth compared to LMDS. You already see in the advantages. So LMDS offer higher data rates than the MMDS. Thank you. subscribe my channel and comment on video.